In this video, I'm going to show you how to find ads you've already watched on YouTube, even the ones you didn't click. Every ad you've interacted with is logged in your Google account. Start by visiting your YouTube account and then go to your profile at the bottom right corner by clicking on the profile icon. And then from here, click on the settings icon at the top right corner and then click on privacy. From your privacy settings, you can click on My Ad Center and it will automatically take you to your My Ad Center. Sometimes your recent ads doesn't show up once you click this My Ad Center. So what I suggest is to go directly to your myadcenter.google.com. You can see here my account. Under ads you've seen or your recent ads or your recent ad brands, here are the scrollable list of recent ads. You'll see who paid for them, what topic they targeted, and even why you saw them. Click any ad to manage your preferences. Like if you don't want more of this loan promos, you can just turn them off. Curious about a brand you forgot to save, you can revisit their ad and learn more. All you have to do is to click on this minus or plus button to increase the visibility of these kinds of ads. For example, you want to see more of the loans type of ads, you can just click on this plus icon. But if you don't see any more of this, you can click on this minus icon. Now, if you don't like this ad, if you think that it's not right for you, or if you think that it is wrong, you can just click on this flag icon. This tool helps you understand how your behavior shaped the ads you see and gives you control. You can pause ad personalization entirely or tailor it around your actual interest. And that's how you find ads you've watched on YouTube.